Women don't get addicted to your looks. They get addicted to your habits, your vibe, your presence, your energy. And today I'm giving you the 7 habits that make women addicted to you without acting fake, without chasing, and without lowering your standards. Let's get into it. Habit number 1. Let me tell you something. Women get addicted to calm men, not the loud guy, not the show-off dude, the calm one. Because calm equals safety. Calm equals confidence. Calm equals, I know who I am. When you talk slower, when you react slower, when you don't jump at every notification like a puppy, she feels your energy. Most guys text like they're being chased by their own insecurity. You text like a man who has options and a life. Habit number 2, music. There's a big difference between hard to get and hard to impress. Women get addicted to the man who sees her, but isn't dazzled by every tiny thing she does. If she says, I get so many guys texting me, most dudes go, wow, really? Damn, you must be so pretty. You say, you look like you cause problems. I respect it. Now she's hooked because she finally met a man who treats her like a human, not a princess from Disney. Being hard to impress makes her step up her feminine energy. She starts showing you her real personality, her playfulness, her softness, because you're worth impressing. Habit number 3. This is the one that makes women emotionally attached to you long term. Not abs, not height, not money. Those help, but stay with me. Control. Emotional control. When she's chaotic, angry, stressed, or overthinking, and you stay grounded, bro, that's like emotional caffeine for her brain. You become the anchor she didn't know she needed. Women get addicted to the man who can stay centered in her storms, not the one who becomes part of the storm. Your calmness becomes her comfort, and comfort becomes addiction. Habit number 4. Here's the confidence women actually get addicted to. Not loud confidence, not fake confidence, not flexing confidence, but quiet, grounded, I like who I am confidence. You're not trying to impress. You're not trying to prove anything. You're just you. The guy who doesn't need attention is the one who gets it. And here's the twist. Women find authenticity sexier than perfection. If you're a little awkward, own it. If you have your quirks, own them. Confidence doesn't mean you're perfect. It means you're comfortable. And comfort is addictive. Habit number 5. Applause. Mystery is like emotional caffeine. Not playing games, not being unavailable, not disappearing for 4 days, but keeping just enough mystery that she wants to know more. You don't overshare. You don't spill your life story in the first week. You don't tell her your every move. Your life is interesting and she gets pieces of it slowly. When you talk, you give hints. When you flirt, you leave questions. When you say goodnight, you leave her wanting one more message. Too much mystery equals confusing, but the right amount, addictive. She'll replay conversations in her head. She'll overthink your tone. She'll wonder, why do I want to talk to him again? Because mystery is the spark. Curiosity is the hook. And you're giving her both. Habit number 6. This is the habit that changes how women look at you forever. You put your purpose above everything. Your career, your health, your hobbies, your mission. That's your priority. Women are drawn to men with direction, men who move, men who grow, men who chase goals, not girls. A man without purpose attaches to women. A man with purpose attracts women. You don't revolve around her life. You invite her into yours. And that's addictive because it feels like joining a journey, not babysitting a grown man. Habit number 7. This is the most powerful one. Women get addicted to men who are strong with the world and soft with her. Not soft as in weak, soft as in emotional intelligence. You're protective, not possessive. You're grounded, not cold. You're playful, not childish. You listen, but you're not a pushover. You're strong enough to lead, soft enough to connect. That combination, deadly, irresistible, addictive, because most men are either too hard or too soft. You're the balance she never found before. These Final Thoughts 7 habits aren't about pretending. They're about becoming. When you show these consistently, women don't just like you. They get addicted to your presence, your energy, your aura. These habits only matter if you can actually tell when a girl is attracted to you. Most men miss the signs completely. So before you make your next move, watch this video. Thank you for watching. If you found like this video, please like and subscribe my channel.